everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Let me open VMware Workstation. As you can see, I have already created a virtual machine. Now go to the virtual machine settings. Then click on the SATA option to add an ISO. By default the auto detect option is selected, but we need to select the use ISO image file option. Now click the browse button to select an ISO file. Click the OK button and start the virtual operating system. As you can see, it works perfectly. All links and useful information is now available in our blogs. I hope it can help you today. If you have any issues, please let me know in the comment section. If you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for latest updates.